Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if you're new, welcome aboard. Today I will be reviewing Sensationnel's Dashly Lace Wig Unit 4 in the color 2. So stay tuned. Actually really nice. I actually have bought a different unit from Sensationnel and I cannot think of the name, but it will be listed below. And I hated it. The cap size was way too small. I wore it to my trip in Thailand. Check out my vlog for that as well. And I hated it. It was just the worst. And I couldn't even review it because it was so terrible. So I'm happy to say that I really like this one. It's big head friendly and there's definitely a little bit of shedding going on with this unit, so keep that in mind. But overall, it's super cute. I'm feeling this. It's very lightweight. It's not thick. The density of it is not super thick at all, so just keep that in mind as well. It's a thin wig, but it's cute. I really do like this. I love the curl pattern and the length. And I will give you a 360. So yes, this is giving me like Malaysia Pargo vibes. I can just picture her wearing her hair like this. Let me know what you guys think below. It was super easy to put on. Used a little bit of the Got To Be Glued blasting spray just to hold it down. It also has some baby hairs on it, so I sprayed those down too, and I just used a little bit of my pressed powder to blend the part in, and it looks good. Well, I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to share and subscribe, and hit the little bell at the bottom of the screen so you can see when I post videos. Stay tuned, and I will see you guys next time.